Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make an Orange Daiquiri. To make this drink, I'm going to start with the orange syrup. I'm going to put in 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of orange syrup into the shaker. Half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Then 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. Official glass is going to be a Coupe. I'm going to single strain into that, and I'm using an Anderson Ancestral Coupe. If you have one, feel free to use it. If you don't, regular Coupe is just fine. And Garnish. Traditional garnish for daiquiri would be a lime wheel. I'm currently out of lime wheels, so I'm not going to use one. And I don't think this one needs it. The orange syrup is actually kind of tart, and it's a little bit aromatic, so I don't think this needs a lime wheel. If you want, you could also use an orange twist. As it is, I'm going to drink it as it is. So, there you have it. Orange Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.